So as someone who's been to space, I can attest it is a transformative experience. You realize how fragile, how vulnerable the Earth is, and how much of a miracle it is that we're here. For Voyager Space, the key thing we're communicating to investors is the opportunity to invest in Starlab, which is the replacement to the International Space Station. Should be in orbit in 2028. So we're providing investors the opportunity to invest in what is essentially going to be the first commercial space station. We need another space station because the International Space Station will be deorbited probably around 2030. So in anticipation of that, we need new space stations flying, and given the success the industry has had with privatizing rocket launches, the same model is being applied to commercial space stations. So I think one of the key misunderstandings is we go to space to benefit Earth. It's not escape from Earth. All our climate data, how we know that the climate is changing, how we know where the ice caps are melting and so forth, is all space-based data. Equitable space travel is really important. I had the privilege of going to space myself on Blue Origin, and one of the things I believe very strongly is that everyone should have that opportunity. It is a life-changing experience. But really we have to get the cost of access to space down if we're going to get, hundreds and thousands of people into space. I think the biggest space story in 2023, just to pick a couple, I think we'll likely get another all-private astronaut mission to the space station. So that'll be an important milestone. But probably the most important would be SpaceX making orbit, hopefully, with their new Starship, which is their new generation rocket, which, if it works and if it makes orbit, which I believe it will, it could completely change the game and reduce the launch costs by another order of magnitude. The fact that someone like myself could go to space blows my mind. I would have never thought that was possible. It really is changing the industry. I think it ultimately will change society. I'm super excited about where we are and even more excited about where we're headed.